Hi 10th class students, today we are discussing the example problem 8, page number 14. Let us see this one. Show that five minus root 3 is an irrational number. How we have to prove this one time see. Let us take solution. Given number is 5 minus root 3. Let us assume that five minus root 3 be a rational. So see here, according to definition of rational number, 5 minus root 3, that is 5 minus root 3 taken as p by q, because rational form p by q, q not equals to 0, p comma q belongs to set of integers, p comma q are co-primes. Okay. So transpose minus root 3 to RHS and p by root 3 to RHS, p by q to LHS. You get 5 minus p by q equal to root 3. Transposing minus root 3 to RHS, p by q to LHS. And take LCM here. You get q is the LCM. 1 dividing q times q into 5, 5q minus q dividing q one time, 1 into p is equal to root 3. Over root 3 is equal to 5q minus p by q. Here you know that p comma q belongs to set of integers. Then 5q is another integer, integer minus integer, another integer by integer. So integer by integer is a rational number. So the RHS becomes rational number, but the LHS becomes irrational. Already we proved this one. Root 3 is irrational. This one is rational, LHS is irrational, RHS is rational. This leads to contradiction. Why this one leads to contradiction? Due to our wrong assumption What is our assumption? See here, let us assume 5 minus root 3 be rational. This is our assumption. Rational, like we have to assume. So that therefore 5 minus root 3 be an irrational number. This is the problem example 14. Now photograph sir. Go through the example 9. I think example 8 this is. Next one. Show that 3 root 2 is irrational. Same model problem. 3 root 2. Given number is 3 root 2 is an irrational. So given number place, we have to write 3 root 2. Let us assume 3 root 2 be a rational. According to definition, 3 root 2 is equal to p by q, q not equals to 0, p comma q belongs to set of integers and p comma q are co-primes. And then remaining part I have to complete it here. 3 root 2 is equal to p by q. Root 2 keep in LHS only, transpose 3 to RHS, then root 2 is equal to P by 3Q. Here, this is rational. The RHS becomes rational, but in LHS root 2 already we proved that this is irrational. So then irrational equals to rational, which leads to contradiction due to our wrong assumption. So finally conclusion is 3 root 2 is 3 root 2 be an irrational. This is another problem, example 8. So this one is also you have to note it down. Same model, there is no change here. 3 root 2 is an irrational number, given number is 3 root 2. Let us assume 3 root 2 be a rational. So next go through the another question, that is very important one, that is example 10. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Prove that or show that root 3 plus root 2 be an irrational. How can we prove this problem an irrational number? This is also same model, but it is little bit of some big one compared with the example 8 and example 9, so that we have to go through some expansion of this problem. So go through this one. Given number is root 3 plus root 2. Let us assume that root 3 plus root 2 be a rational. So we have to assume this is rational. According to definition, root 3 plus root 2 be taken as P by Q form, Q not equal to 0, P comma Q belongs to set of integers, P comma Q are co-primes. This is the definition of rational number. So here two irrationals are there. Root 3 one irrational, root 2 is also an irrational. The sum of them we need to find. So that is why we have to do squaring on both sides. Otherwise, P by Q transpose to LHS, any one of them transpose to RHS. Root 3 minus P by Q taken as minus root 2. Squaring on both sides. Root 3 minus P by Q whole square minus root 2 whole square. Squaring on both sides. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Expand this one. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to minus root 2 whole square. It is 2 minus whole square into root 2 whole square. Minus whole square is minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Root 2 whole square, square and square roots are cancelled, you get a 2. Square and square roots are cancelled, 3 plus P by Q minus 2 root 3 P by Q is equal to 2. Now transpose 2 to LHS and 2 root 3 P by Q transpose to RHS. The third term transpose to RHS, 2 transpose to LHS. Then you get 3 plus P by Q minus 2 equal to 2 root 3 P by Q. 2 root 3 P by Q. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus P by Q is equal 2 root 3 P by Q. So take LCM here. You get Q is equal, Q is the LCM. Q plus P is equal to 2 root 3 P by Q. 2p by q transpose to LHS. Q plus p by q into q by 2p. What are cancelled here? Q1s is equal to root 3. I transpose 2p by q to LHS. It becomes q by 2p. So Q1s cancel. You get p plus q by 2p is equal to root 3. One time observe the LHS. P is an integer, q is an integer, 2p is also integer. Integer plus integer, 2p also integer. So integer by integer is rational number. So but on the RHS, root 3 already we proved that it is an irrational. So which leads to is a irrational. But the LHS leads to what one? Rational. So rational equal to irrational. So that which leads to contradiction due to our wrong assumption. What is our wrong assumption? What we are assume here? Root 3 plus root 2 be rational. So that therefore finally conclusion is root 3 plus root 2 be an irrational. Hence the problem. In the same process, you have to do the problems in exercise 1.4, first Roman problems and second Roman problems. If you have any doubt, contact to my number. Bye children.